Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D Tech, and this is the Baggie carrying bag for laptops. That's really sleek. There's a little tear there and we can just open it up and see the product tag there. This is for notebooks or laptops up to 15.6 inches. These are the product details. So let's unwrap this here and check it closely. Now again, I really like the materials Baggie is using. This seems really premium. Here on the handle it has a velour or soft leather like material, and overall the material is above average. I must say that for this budget laptop bag. Here we have some zippers with some spacious pockets here, the external one. Perhaps you can store some cables here or some peripherals. We have another one there. You can store some things here, a notepad, some smartphone or pen internal pockets here. Now that's really nice. And now let's check the main compartment where we can store our laptop. Okay, here we have a separate pocket with a divider. You can carry perhaps a tablet here. And okay, here we have also the shoulder strap of the bag. I really like the material here. This is really soft and it's ideal for resting on your shoulder. You can just open this. Okay, this is detachable and we can also see here this is a really soft surface that is mimicking some leather surface, and attaching it to the bag we just have to use the metallic clamps at the end of its side with the bag hooks we have here like that. You just have to snap into place, and here we have another one. Just have to clamp it in there like that and it's ready to go. Now here we have another zipper and another pocket. You can just open it here, and this is some extra storage compartment. And overall I really like the product. The quality material used is really nice and I get the feeling that you are getting here more than you are paying for. This was the Baggie laptop bag. Give us a like, subscribe, and from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.